In this video, I'll show you how to pair and also how to print using your iPhone and your Canon imageCLASS LBP122dw printer. Step number one is to connect your Canon printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the one that your iPhone is currently connected to. So let me show you how it's done on this tiny display over here. Alright, so you're going to press the OK button to turn on the display. Once the display is turned on, you're going to press the down arrow again and select Menu. Press OK. Over here we need to select Preferences, so press the down arrow and then OK. Go down until you select Network. Press OK. And now all we have to do is to select Wireless LAN, which is the second option right over here, and press OK. Select Yes by pressing the left side arrow and OK. So over here we have all the Wi-Fi networks that it has found, and you need to select yours. So this is mine and I'll press OK. Wait a few seconds and it will ask you to enter the password. Here we go. So you're going to have a keyboard down below if you press the down arrow. I know it's not very easy, but you're going to navigate like this. Okay, and once you found the letter or the number you want to type, press OK. Once you're done typing, go back up and select Apply. Then Yes. And at the end, you're going to get connected. This is a confirmation that everything went well. On your iPhone, open the file you wish to print, or if it's a web page like the one I am over here, you can also print this. So you're going to press on this button right over here. If you have a PDF open, same thing, you should see this button. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. Then you need to go down in this menu. And over here you should see Print. Click on Print. Under Printer, tap. And then in this list you should see your Canon printer appearing. Tap on your Canon printer. Then you're going to have all these options you can change. So the number of copies, the page range. Let's say I just want page 1 to page number 2. I don't want hundreds of pages to be printed. You can select double-sided if you want to print on both sides. Select the paper size. And one important thing is media quality. If your document will have pictures, I always suggest you select best. Normal is good only for text. At the end, press Print. And of course, make sure your printer had some paper inserted and the paper output is extended. The print has been sent. And here we go, we got our result. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a comment down below, subscribe, and check my Amazon links. I'll put links towards some paper for your printer and also if you want a replacement ink toner. See you in the next video.